So in this very quick video, I wanted to show you what are React developer tools. By the way, React developer tools are just this extension that React provides us. It's a Google Chrome extension. I don't think you can use it on Safari. To install it, click on the link in the description, click add to Chrome, add extension. And by the way, this is very similar to Chrome DevTools, but it's like the Elements tab. So in a typical website, you can see all the elements, you can highlight them like so, and it shows in this Elements tab. Well, with React DevTools, if you install it, yeah, like I have, and you just go into your React app, and this works on any React app. This extension works on any React app if it's an actual React app. And if you click on the components tab, you can see all of your components in React as they're named. So we have an app component, and that's pretty much it. And I just want to make this video to inform you that this exists, but we'll use this throughout the course. Not really going to do anything with it here because we haven't learned about what is props, etc. So here if you click on the component, you'll see some information about this component. You can inspect in this component, you can log this component data into the console. If you click this and go into the console, it should log, but I should probably refresh this because I deleted the extension. So now if you just click on select of course your component of choice, then click on inspect the magic DOM element. Oops, that didn't do anything. But it previously just went to this element, which is the app component with ID of root. And I'll just quickly leave it at that. Download this extension and we'll see you next time.